Hey everyone, we're getting ready to book our flights.
You ready?
Ready.
Ready? Ready, let's do it.
All right, we did it. We booked our flights for LA. We did it. We did it.
Actually,
Okay.
we still have to get the return flight.
Okay, yeah, we're not actually coming home.
to LA.
I'm gonna live in the walls of the Chinese theater.
Oh God.
I'm gonna scramble around and eat popcorn off the floor. Yeah, family the Chinese theater. Okay, tapping. Here I'm learning how to do my makeup with my friend Grace. I don't have a lot of makeup knowledge, so Grace had me come over to teach me a basic glam look. The brow? Up and into the brow. Okay. Yeah, it's all... See what I mean about the lighting? Okay, everyone. It's actually midnight. We leave for the airport at 4 a.m.
So 4 hours from now.
But we did go get our nails done. Okay. I don't know if you can really see them.
You can't really see them.
But it's fine. I literally spent like an hour trying to pick what I was gonna wear, as you do.
And we changed last minute what you were gonna wear.
Completely last minute, because you'll see. It's gonna be so cute. You're gonna see. I'm not telling you. But then we did some skincare. Emily played Fall in Order for the first time, and she really enjoyed it.
What else did we do?
We made dinner.
We did. We made tacos.
Made tacos.
Well, Ivy made tacos.
Let's see here. And then, so plan is, I'm just gonna, we're rolling out of bed. Josh is driving us to the airport. We're gonna hang out in California. We'll get to see some of that later. And then I'll talk about my experience when we get home.
We will see you in 4 hours.
See you in 4 hours.
Just landed.
Made Hello, I've just woken up from a nap. We literally checked in super early, but they let us in, and I passed out like pretty quickly. Ate a quick lunch, breakfast, passed out. Now we're up as brunch. Brunch? I think brunch is the word for that. Brunch is better. It's like a little after 3. It's time to get ready. Okay, I'll see you in a little bit. Bye bye.
So we just got ready. Come here. Come here. Okay. Are we ready? I'm so excited.
I'm ready. It's time.
Oh, so dark.
I'm so dark.
Hey everybody, so we are back from our little trip and we just wanted to sit down for a little bit to talk about it because we both had a really great time and we just want to talk about it.
Yeah, absolutely. What was your favorite thing about walking the red carpet and everything?
Well, this was my first one ever, so honestly, like, I think my favorite part was just being among so many of my friends who maybe I've met online before and I've never met in person. And just being there all together for the common reason of celebrating something that we love, which is Star Wars. So that was probably just my favorite, just being there among friends. How about you?
My answer is almost the exact same. I was so excited to meet everybody and it was so awesome. I got to meet so many people I look up to in the cosplay community and that was just so surreal seeing them like right in front of me because like when we first got onto the red carpet, I saw Jen like immediately and I'd been talking about her before we left saying I hope she's there, I hope I get to meet her, and she was standing right there.
And she's like, and she runs up and she gives us the hug.
She was so excited to see everybody. Like she was super excited to meet Emily in person for the first time, and then she was just so warm and inviting and just so amazing. It was so cool. And then I got to meet Richie, and that was crazy because I've been watching their comedy videos for so long, and I was like, oh, this is so cool. And then I met him in person, and he's just as funny and cool. And then getting to see the costume and the lightsabers, like that was just, I couldn't believe it was all happening, I guess. I love Star Wars since I was a little kid, and just being a part of it and getting to see 2 episodes early was just, I never thought that would happen. It was crazy, and I loved it.
Yeah, like what a privilege getting to see the first 2 episodes before anybody else. And I think the only bad part, the thing that I don't like, is that we can't talk about it with anybody. Only each other and the other people that were there. Speaking of which, do you, I guess without saying too much because we're not allowed to just as of yet, but do you have any favorite parts of the first 2 episodes or favorite aspects of the show so far?
So far, my favorite parts have been, I have to say, I've always loved the sound design in Star Wars, lightsabers, ships, just environmental things. It just always catches me. Also, I loved the writing and the music. Oh my god, I can't wait for everybody else to get to experience that because I loved it. I loved it. What about you though?
I second that. I thought the music was awesome. The sound design was awesome. But I think for me, and this is honestly more so afterwards, seeing a lot of the promo material they're putting out, but I love the cast. They are all such nerds, it seems like.
Yeah,
like
100%.
I saw Star Wars put out like a little promo content video of them like talking about, oh, what got you into Star Wars and all that stuff. Just like hearing them talk, I was like, these are our people, you know? And like it feels so authentic, and it doesn't feel like this is like, well, it is work for them, but it doesn't feel like they're just because they have to be. It seems like they really want to, and I thought all the characters that we saw so far really shone, and I'm just excited to see more.
I totally wholeheartedly agree. It was like Star Wars nerds making something for other Star Wars nerds, and that just like makes my heart so warm. I can't wait. We have to wait another week. The episodes that we saw are coming out on the 4th, and then we're gonna have to wait a week until we get to see anything new, and I'm itching.
I know. But yeah, I think like that's all we can really reveal for now. But any final thoughts? Anything you want to say to wrap it up?
I think it was really good. I think everybody should go in with an open mind. It was so much fun. I know there have been a small group of people that have been slightly skeptical, but go into it. You're gonna have a great time. It was so much fun.
I completely agree. I think even just after seeing the first 2 episodes, like me and a couple of my friends online and you as well, we've been like, you know, talking about our theories and stuff. And I feel like that's kind of an excitement that you don't get with every project, which is why I think the Acolyte is pretty special. So I think I completely agree with Ivy. Go in with an open mind, and I think you're going to be very pleasantly surprised. But yeah, other than that, I just wanted to say thank you to Lucasfilm for inviting the 2 of us. It was a privilege, it was an honor, and I had an amazing time.
It was great. I can't wait to see the rest. Well, everybody, have a good night. See you later.
Bye!